Hello, this is Tire B, and in this video I'm gonna plug my own tire. So I got a warning that my rear right tire is leaking air. So I'm gonna plug it, and I'm gonna show you how I plug my own tire. I do have winter tires for my vehicle, so I'm not gonna fully repair it. I'm just gonna plug it. I don't offer plugs to my clients. It is a great emergency solution, but it is not a permanent high quality repair. I'm gonna show you how it's done, and you can get your own tires repaired as well if you're on the run and you have a flat, or if your tire is leaking. The way I do it, they do last a long time. So the main thing is to get the direction of the puncture properly, and you got to plug it in the right direction. I do use some, so these are the things I'm going to use. I'm going to pull the screw, and then I'm going to file the hole. I'm going to use a tool to push that in. I'm going to use these plugs. I'm going to use some vulcanizing fluid to lubricate and get some of that vulcanizing fluid in the rubber so it has the reaction. This is what I use, like a tech fluid, to find the puncture. I have already located it. It's right in there. I don't know if it's visible, but this is my injury here, and I see that it's in a bad direction, so I'm just gonna back up a little bit. Sorry, my van is all super dirty, so I'm just gonna back up slightly, and then I'm gonna plug my own tire. Again, this is not a permanent high quality repair, so that is the reason why I don't offer it for money. I've plugged a few tires for free for people, but I think it's not professional to plug your tires. A proper repair is done by removing the tire, buffing it, prepping it, and then putting a plug patch from the inside. So where's my injury here? So this is my injury right there. So I'm just gonna set my camera on a tripod so you can see what I do. Okay. Okay, so let's see. So is it leaking or not? So I'm gonna slowly pull that out. And that is not the injury. Okay, so that is actually not where it's leaking, so we're gonna have to find it. So there we go. This is actually the puncture right here. So that was not the injury, so I'm just gonna back up a little bit more to give me access so I could plug it. I'm just gonna back up a little bit more. So, I'm just gonna set my camera over here. Okay. If you're doing a front tire, you could turn your wheels and get that exposed to you so it's visible and easy to access. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna slowly pull it, and I'm gonna make sure to get the right direction. It's best to have air in your tire when you're doing it. If it's flat, you won't be able to insert it. So see, this thing is going pretty straight, so that's the direction. That's the most important, because you're gonna make another hole if you don't get the direction right. Hello, sir.
How's it going, buddy? You fixing your own car now?
I am plugging my own tire. Absolutely, yes, sir.
I'm
doing
it.
Yes, I got a nail in my own tire.
Beauty, hey?
A screw. And
That sucks.
that's all good. Okay, so that's the direction. I'm also making a video for YouTube on how to do it properly.
Am I now gonna be on YouTube?
Not yet. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of vulcanizing fluid. I never offer this to my clients though, only for myself. So we're gonna work it in there slowly. There we go. So I'm just gonna file that hole. Like that. A little more vulcanizing fluid. File it a little more, leave it in there. And then I'm gonna get one of these rope plugs, get it out, insert the rope plug into the tool. I don't think this is the easiest procedure, so it does take some strength. There we go. That's my rope plug in there. So what I do next is I add vulcanizing fluid on the plug and on the tip, so it goes in easier. So this is the direction. I got the plug all lubricated. Pull this out. Get that in there. So it does take some strength to get this in properly. So we're just gonna work it in. Spin it a little bit. I'm gonna get a little bit of a better position here, and we're gonna insert it does take strength. It's not an easy process. Okay, so that's in. The plug is in. I'm just gonna spin it around, and then I'm gonna pull it hard. There we go. So the plug is in. I'm gonna get my knife. I'm gonna cut it off. Leave that there. I'm gonna spray it again. No bubbles. I'm gonna add some air to that, and that is all good to go. So you can do that yourself, easy to get yourself back on the road. But remember, it's not a permanent, high quality repair. It is a great emergency solution. Plugged my tire, inflated it to the proper setting, and it's all good now, holding air pretty well. If you like this video and you found it helpful, please follow this channel and help me get to 1,000 followers so I can monetize this and possibly make a little bit of extra money on the YouTube channel. That would be great. I will also be making a video about how much money can a mobile tire shop possibly make in a day, and I'm going to be giving away an Autel TPMS computer. I will send it anywhere in the world, so follow the channel and watch the videos, and then maybe you can get your own Autel TPMS computer. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.